Yeah, what's up guys, yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, this is an emergency. Yeah, I'm Jamaican Boy Africa. Yeah, my name is Jamaican Boy Africa. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and thank you for your support, thank you for watching. Yeah, everything is okay. As you can see guys, here I'm in KISII. So today my vlog, I would like it to start from this point here. Yeah, I know this place. I'm new in this place. Yeah, and this is an emergency trip. So guys, I'm going to moving with you from. I'm going to show you many things in KISII area, KISII. Yeah, you know KISII guys. KISII guys is a place, is a county called the KISII. Yeah, after Migori County, you go to, yeah, I think after Migori County is KISII County. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. But right now guys, as you can see, I'm here in KISII. Yeah, but it was an emergency. So I'm here with my cousin. Yeah, I'm here with my cousin. That's why you see how there is a lot of mountain guys in KISII here. Yeah, there is a lot of mountains. That's why in KISII the rain have never stopped. The rain is raining each and every day, each and every time. Yeah, each and every day there is rain. There is rain in KISII. Yeah, so KISII we can find many things in KISII like grains. Yeah, and if you want to eat fruits, any type of fruits, you just come in KISII. Yeah, in KISII area, it's where there is a lot of fruits. Guys, is found in KISII because KISII is a area of rain, and KISII is where there is a lot of fertiles. Yeah, a lot of fertile soil in KISII. KISII is where you can find, yeah, something we call matoke. Yeah, we call it matoke. We call it banana. Yeah guys, matoke is banana. Yeah, matoke is banana. And you can find many vegetable in KISII here. Many vegetable. We found a lot of vegetable in KISII area. And as you can see here, see even the cloud. See even the cloud there, up there. The cloud is, it means the rain is supposed to rain anytime from now. You know, it's 11 o'clock a.m. It's 11 a.m. But you can see there's a lot of cloud there, shows that the rain is going to rain right now. Okay, yeah, so I'm just here emergency guys. This is not a planned trip. Yeah, as you can see, this is not a planned trip. Yeah, that's why you see here. Yeah, I have decided to make a video, to make a cool video in KISII area. KISII, ngakimaminto mbuyamore. I'm going to meet any KISII so that you can listen. There's no difference between our language, Korean language, and this language of KISII language. Okay, you know the ancestors, all the people say that people they do say that we are from one clan. Yeah, so you know, Koreans and the KISII people, they usually talk in one language, guys. So the language of KISII and the language of Koreans, they are all the same. They are all same, because when I can talk and when a KISII, a person from this county of KISII talk, we all talk in the same language. So that's why they say, okay, there is some words which we pronounce in the same way. We pronounce in the same way. Wanakuja? Okay, guys, so yeah, that's why I can say that Koreans and the KISII people, we are one people, yeah, you know. Someone can tell you that Koreans and the KISII people, we came from the one clans, guys. Oh my God, hey, hey, you see, guys, I was to get injured with these things here. These are border things. Yeah, I don't know. Sijui naitwa deni yako. Okay, it's for one here. Kidogo niumize, guys, and I don't have much money to take me in the hospital. Now let me give you a story. Yeah, I have many stories here in KISII, guys. You know, this one here is a stage. I am not in KISII town, I am in village. We are called the highway. This is a village called the highway. So we are here waiting for the bulk. Yeah, mzigo. Oh, mzigo imefika, guys. Oh, see you. It's not on here. KDB, guys. So here we are here waiting for the mzigo to reach so that we can take it in the office. You know, here I come to visit my cousin. Yeah, I come here to visit my cousin and to take some shoes to my barber shop there. Amazing. Oh my God. You know, someone who we are waiting for, now he has switched off, yeah, his phone. So we are stranded here waiting for him, guys. So guys, kindly, if it's your first time to watch this channel here, Jamaican Boy Africa, yeah, please make sure you subscribe, comment, and make sure you leave there sweet comments. Yeah, don't just watch without comments. Please kindly make sure you put their comments. Make sure everything, you do everything in this video, guys. You know, it's have been long before I get many viewers, you know. I even wonder but I know you, only you, if you are one or two, you are my subscriber, you are my supporter. So big up, guys. Yeah, I never regret, because I do have you, my people. I do have you, my follower. I do have you, my supporter. You really support me by watching my video and leaving their sweet comments. So I'm glad to say thank you for everything. Yeah, the way I've told you that I'm in. Anataka kutuchukulia mzigo, si ndio father? He want to take us. Mzigo, anasubiri mzigo hapa atuweke kwa torori tupeleke huko juu kwa ofisi, si ndio? Yeah. So guys, we are here waiting for the bulk, you know. There is a van. I think, how can I call it? Rolly. Rolly. Kuna rolly tunasubiri. Oh, torori yako? Okay, want to take torori yake in this point. Watu basi wamekuchezea. Saa ingekuwa tumeenda. Amezima si. Yeah, is here guys. Na gari yake. What's your name? Unajitanga nani?
Nina Domi.
Nani?
Domi.
Domi?
Yeah.
Okay guys.
Hiyo ndio gari yangu.
Hiyo ndio gari yako?
Yeah.
Okay, this trolley here. Hii ndio inakuingizia do sasa unakula.
Hapa ndio watoto wangu wanakoranga kutoka hapa.
Yes guys, you know here we are in village, you are not in town, yeah? You can see this the trolley. He really used this trolley to transport. Unatumia hii transport vitu kupelekea watu kwa nyumba zao. Hata kama ni mandizi unabeba everything.
Mandizi hata mahindi kila kitu.
Okay. So guys, I'm here with Dominic. So we are waiting for the bulk. When do unafaa kutubebea sasa kwenda huko highway, si ndio? Yeah, so guys, as you can see here, Dominic is a hard-working man. Very hard-working. Fanya hivi hai kwa kamera. One day labda hata naweza, unajua wanaweza niambia, hey, go and found Dominic. Tunataka kumununulia toroli nzuri. Yeah, they can say, kama wakisema I must. Yeah, naweza kuja mpaka hapa. This Dominic guys. Yeah, I can come. Naweza kuja nikutafute. Tuko na namba yako tayari.
Unajua jina yako inaitwa Dominic.
Namba yako ya simu?
Hapana.
Hauna simu?
Hapana.
So in case nimesema eti natafuta Dominic, nitakupata aje? Stage. Uko penye tumekupata huko kwa mahindi?
Huko.
Oh.
So huko kwanza? Hapa kwa muko kwa petroli ya muko.
Oh, hapo muko hapo.
Nakaanga huko.
Oh, now guys, he said that he's really found in Muko petrol station, not police station. Gaki, I told you that our language and his language is just same. Zinafanana, Kikuria na KISII. Hao ni watu wa mtu mmoja, si ndio? Mama wawili. Yeah man. So so guys, here I'm in KISII. The way I've just tell you that I'm in KISII. And my vlog, I'm going to do my vlog from this point here. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. So guys, I kindly, if it's your first time to reach this channel, kindly guys subscribe, comment and like. Yeah, I'm going to show you many things in this area. I'm going to take you a tour. This is a trip, guys. This is an amazing trip. Yeah. Amazing trip. After here, I'm going to take you where I'm found. I can even, okay, when Siuko town to vlog. Yeah, I came here to take shoes, just sneakers. So that's why I'm here in KISII town. No, here is not a town. Upper Sea town. I'm just in a place called Highway. This Highway, guys. The village is called the Highway, okay? Yeah, so we have come here to take some bulk mzigo, ili tupeleke mzigo kwa nyumba. Mzigo ni wa kazini yangu. Huyo mzigo ni wake. So I have to take it. Then after here, I'm going to take the sneakers to my home. There I'm going to take sneakers to my office so that I can sell the sneakers there in my barber shop. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm here with you. Make sure you watch till the end because the video is very amazing. Video is very amazing video here. Yeah guys, so kindly let's go together till the end. Guys, this is Safari. Yeah, someone have died. They are removing someone from the mortuary. Yeah, to the place of where they are going to put him to rest for the rest of his life, guys. Yeah. You got J-Star? Yeah, guys, I'm here in J-Star Hotel now. I want to take meals. Let me see the menu. Wano hanu hata batani nyama hata choma. This is the menu, guys. This is the menu of J-Star Hotel. Yeah, here in Highway, a village called Highway in KISII. Yeah, not Nyamira. Hapa ni KISII County. Yeah, so guys, Dominic here is loading the trolley. Want to move now to the office. Umumulete trolley jamani. Dominic, he said that he want the trolley so that he can be carrying more. You know here. Oh, unalipianga hii? Yeah. Ukweli? Yeah. Oh, unaikodisha kwa siku? Oh, si yako? Okay guys, now you know Dominic here, he said that this trolley here which he using to carry this loads, he just borrowing. Unahaya, si ndio? Unahaya hii trolley ndio bebe mizigo. Okay, he just hired the trolley. As you can see here. Yeah, I was in J-Star Hotel. You know, here I'm in Highway. Yeah, this place is called Highway. So we want to take these things to this load here. You know, hizi ni mafuta ya kujipaka, si ndio? Mafuta ya kujipaka. Yes, guys, you can see it's called Mwarubaini. Yeah, very unique. It's very normal here in a village. You know, here I'm in KISII. So I'm not in town, but I'm in village called Highway. So it was in an emergency, guys. Yeah, so let's take this in the office. So tunaweza enda. Tunapitia wapi? Hapa. Okay, let's go. Twende. So guys, I'm here. I want to assist him to push it. Tunapitia wapi? Okay, let's pass this way here. Yeah, you know I'm behind him. Yeah, just taking the load in the office, guys. Yeah, guys, so I have to assist him. You know, I came here emergency, so I'm here with my cousin, and he really used to sell this. This is the oil which we apply in the body. Yes, so we want to take it in the office. Twende. Amuna nataka kupumzika. Okay, pumzika basi. Twende. Okay, let's go. You know here, guys, there is a mountain here, so we are climbing the mountain. That's why you see Dominic there. You have to use, lazima utumie nguvu bwana. Twende, haya, twende, let's go. It's very heavy, very heavy. You see? It's a very heavy. So I have to assist. Yeah, pulling these loads. Hii ni mzigo mzito sana. To the office, guys. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah, you have to be strong. If you don't have a strength, you can't push this one. Oh yeah, let's go. Kwani shida? Haya, twende. Okay. He said that he want to relax first, okay? Okay, guys, you know, this work, guys, here is not easy. Dominic, hii kazi ni ngumu sana bwana. It's very hard work. But I can see, uko na nguvu. Kama unaweza beba hii mizigo yote na upande hii mlima. Lakini I have to assist you mpaka sehemu tunapeleka, sawa? Usijari na kusaidia mpaka penye tunafika. Umepumzika?
Sawa, twende.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Guys, you know here, this is a mountain, guys. Yeah. I have to assist him. You know? Yeah, man, like this. You know, I came in KISII for emergency. I came to take the shoes. So I slept to my cousin home, not home where he rent. So I just there, and he have a shop. So he do sell this oil. Yeah. Hii ni mafuta ya kujipaka. Upumzike? Okay. You know, Dominic have to relax, have to get a rest because this is a mountain, guys. Yeah, this is a mountain. Now he have to take a rest. And me too, you know. I'm assisting him to push this load to the shop. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, this is very heavy. This is not easy work, guys. Yeah, it's very heavy. It's very heavy, guys. You can see Dominic here is pulling and me I'm pushing. The students are there. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, guys, you know here you have to be strong. Now we are here at least. Ebu acha niweke hivi vizuri do. Okay. You know I have to put this one. Ebu iache iende hivyo. Yeah. All right. Come on, put it well. Ilikuwa inatoka. Hii nayo iko sawa. So guys, here I'm in highway in KISII County here, but here is not town. I'm in village. I'm in a village, guys. Yeah, that's why I told you that here in KISII there's a lot of rain. There's a lot of mountains. You know, KISII is a seat of mountains and a fertile soil. There is nothing you can plant here in KISII, and everything you plant here in KISII, in this soil of KISII, it have to be germinate, and it really make well, guys. So let's go. You know, uko tutapita? Okay, let's go. I'm asking if there, you know, there I can see there is a very narrow way there, but you have to pass there, guys. Yeah, let me assist the Dominic to reach this load there. Yeah, let's go. Hii ni shortcut tumetumia.
Yeah.
Twende. Unapumzika? Guys, asafi. Guys, you know this load there is very heavy. It's not si mchezo. Hii nayo si mchezo, you know? It's a lot of boxes. Hizi boxes ziko ngapi? Si ni mingi? Ziko 15. You know this box, guys, here they are around 15, and kila box iko na kilo ngapi?
Kilo 10.
Acha tuone. You know, guys, each box here It's 10 kg. 10 kg. You know 10 kg, it's not simple, guys. Okay, let's go. 10 kg, it's not simple. 10 kg, it's not simple, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Twende. Hey! Oh my God! Finally, we have got an accident, guys. What is this? Oh my God! We have got an accident while taking this load to this road here. Oh my God! We have to load it again. Ni hivi upange upya. Hii kitu tatusumbua. Tutafika leo. Nguka tena. Guys, we have to arrange it again. Okay. So, ienda hapo mbele kidogo. Hata ningejua hapa ningeweka simu chini ndo tupite hapa kwanza. Me, I was thinking that is a place which is good to pass, guys. Eh?
Kila siku inaanguka hapa.
Ni kila siku? Guys, Dominic is telling me that this one have not happened just today. No, it's happening each and every day. Oh, kwenu ni hapo?
Hapa nyuma.
Oh, kwenu ni wapi? Hapa nyuma. Okay, he's telling me that his home is around here. Okay, you just show me, guys. He want to show me their home. His home, where he live, guys. You know, Dominic is my friend now. He can even show me where he live. Guys. I want to take you where Dominic he live. You know, here I'm in KISII, guys. KISII. Yeah, I'm in KISII County, but not. Hey, kabisa, guys, you know. Yeah, Dominic have decided to show me where he live, guys. Oh, ni hapo?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the house of Dominic, guys. You know, I told you that KISII, there's a lot of fruits which is found here. You see, Dominic yako na migomba ya ndizi, have a lot of sweet bananas tree here, as you can see. This is where Dominic lives. Hapa ndio unaishi? Okay, that's good, guys. Yeah, you know, I'm here with Dominic now. Tuende sasa. Yeah, we are doing some job there. We are taking some lots to the office of my cousin there. Yeah, so kindly, guys, you see where Dominic he lives, guys. Yeah, but here we are not in town. We are in village. Hapa panaitwa aje?
Highway.
I'm in Kembua Highway. It's a village, but it's not a town. But I'm in KISII. I'm inside KISII village, you know. Yeah, so we have to see many things which is being happening here in KISII village. As you can see, I am with the Dominic here. So let's load. You know, we got an accident. We got an accident here, and but we are going to arrange it well, and we take it. We are going to take it to the office of my cousin. You know, I came here in KISII to visit, not to visit, but to take the. I've come here for the shoes. But tomorrow is when I'm going to the town, so that I can take shoes for selling. A sneaker. Yeah, sneakers. Hii kumbe hii huwezi beba mwenyewe. Hii mpaka ukuwe na mtu akusaidie, si ndio? So guys, you see, it's a lot of Yeah, guys, KISII is a blessed place. You know, KISII here is a blessed place. So everything you plant, it must be good and well. You see, this is a matoke, guys. Yeah, we have got an accident here. Our lorry have fall down with our loads here, guys. So we want to take it in the office. Yeah, you know, we have got an accident, guys, here. Our lorry have fallen down, so we are arranging it again, and we continue with our journey. Our journey is not very far, but we are approaching the points which we are taking these loads here, you know. Yeah, guys, so kindly watch till the end. This is my driver here of lorry. He's called Dominic here. Sasa itaanguka, si ndio? I think sasa iko sawa. So guys, ifunge tu vizuri. Let him to tight. He want to tight it. Then we start our journey to where we are. We have to take these boxes too. Yeah, you know. Yeah, as you can see, it's very many boxes. Yeah, and the Dominic is really trying. Uko na nguvu. Lakini tumepata accident, lakini tutafika, si ndio? Sahi nayo, guys, you see the way, it's very narrow, but we are going to pass here. Yeah, till the office where we are supposed to go, where you are supposed to move to, guys. Yeah, all right, these are rope, guys. He's using this to tight these boxes here. Yeah man, Jamaican boy Africa, please kindly, if it's your first time to get in this channel, kindly guys subscribe, watch till the end, subscribe and enjoy watching the video of Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, guys, yes guys. You know, I came KISII town to take the shoes so that I can sell there in my barber shop. So I just come here to visit my cousin. So he has given me work for taking these loads to his office. So let's go guys, let's go. You see the way here is very narrow. Hapa ni pabaya. Here we have to plan how we are going to pass in this point here. Tunapita aje? Upitie hapo alafu mimi ni hold this side, isianguke kuja hapa, si ndio?
Hakuna kuanguka.
Sawa, let's go. Twende. Okay, let's go. Okay, take this phone utumulikie. Sawa. Aya, twende. Oh, now we are in the tarmac road, guys. Yeah, we are in the tarmac road. Now I can even not assist him because we are in the smooth way. Here. As you can see, he's just going himself without any support. Yeah, this Dominic. So kindly guys, here is a smooth way. Hapa hakuna mabonde eti. Labda nikusaidie tu kuvuta nyuma. Tennis kupeleke mbele. Oh, iko sawa? Iko sawa. Okay guys, you know. Yeah. Lakini leo itakupeleka utafikiri umesweat, you know. Yeah, we are approaching the point where we are taking the mzigo. Tuna approach in the office. We are approaching, guys. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, you know here, guys, the way I told you that it is a mountain, so you have to run. If you are going downward, you have to run. So he's going to turn this way. We are going this point here. Yeah, as you can see. Wow. Now here I'm going to assist. Oh yeah, twende. Okay guys, that. Yes, tushafika sasa. Guys, as you can see there is some beans. They are preparing beans there. Na mzigo ndio huo. Twende sasa. Umeamuka bwana? Pole sana bwana. Mungu atakusaidia. Utakuwa tu fit. Hiyo mguu utapona. Don't worry. You know, this is my very friend, friend of mine. Yeah, so you know he get an accident there to his leg, guys. Yeah, amevunjika. So that's why you see he's struggling even to enter in the toilet, guys. So let's pray for him. Tunakuombea bwana. Yeah, so we are here. Guys, this is the kitchen here. Yeah. This is the kitchen here. This is the kitchen. Yeah, as the way I've told you that I get an emergency trip. Yeah, so I'm here in my cousin shop.
What's it you want?
Hiyo ni accident. Guys, this maize. Yeah, hii ni mahindi, guys. They are putting in the gorogoro, you know. Yeah, you see they have mixed it. You can see there is a yellow maize and the white maize. Yeah, yellow and the white maize, they have mixed it. They have mixed it. Utaiokota, hiyo si inaenda to him. Guys, see this. Have take this thing here in this office. See? Thanks, they have write thanks GJU. Oh, I was thinking that they have written that thank you God. Okay, this one here I can read peace felin. Peace felin ingetekiwa hiki Mungu. Okay, now guys, yeah, we have reached the point. Yeah, this is the shop, as the way I told you. This is the shop, guys. The store which they keep. This is the store which they keep their loads. Mafuta yao wanatunzanga hapa, so that when it reach the time, they take it in the shop. You see? Yeah. So guys, I'm here with someone called Bara. Wewe ni nani? Nimekusahau mura. Oh, this is Brian, guys. We do slept with this one. Yeah, this is Brian, guys. We have reached here. Me and Dominic, we got an accident. Yeah. On the way coming in this store here. Guys, now Dominic umemaliza kazi. You see this the trolley yenye tumekuwa tumebebea hiyo mizigo, guys. Na hii trolley here. So I thought that Dominic angefikisha mzigo, lakini hatimaye tushafika, guys. Now we are here. Yeah, we are here feeling very happy because we have already reached the place of reaching we have already reached. You know, now Dominic have get another job here to take the maize in the Gisiagi. Munapeleka kwa Gaki, you know, KISII, they usually say, they usually talk Gaki. Ayana mahindi.
Aya
Aya Dominic, tutapatana. Aya, unakuja? Okay, so guys, Dominic Gaki, he is taking the maize there in the Kisiagi there, guys. Yeah. So guys, this hen, as you can see how it's looked. You know, here I'm in KISII village, not in KISII town, yeah? You can see how they do keep these vifaranga vya kuku. Yeah, na wanazifungia hapo hivyo. You know? Yeah, I'm in KISII village, so you know I came here. Yeah, emergency trip. I came to take sneakers, shoes. So kindly guys, don't miss in the next video. Yeah, you will see how I'm going to take in the sneaker in the town there. Yeah, for selling that my barber shop at my home there. You can see there is a lot. You know, if you see some wind blowing like this in KISII, it means the rain is coming, guys. So we have to go in the house where we're supposed to be. Okay, KISII town is a place of rain, many and more rain, guys. Yeah. So guys, you know, after pulling or pushing, yeah, the throw, finally I have to take maize here. You know, this is the African's maize. Mind ya KISII. Yeah, this is the KISII maize, guys. I want to take it, so let me wait it to be ready. You know, it's not yet ready. We are waiting here, this place here. You know, maize is very sweet, guys. This natural maize, no JMO here. No JMO here. This is a natural maize. Yeah, guys, this is my friend in here in this village of hapa ni highway.
Jumada wameongea.
Siku mingi sana bro.
Nipe mia na ninywe basi.
Wiki yako poa, si anataka aweke rasta.
Tuliongea kesho nafaa kwenda huko. Kesho nakuja kweli.
Tumalizane wiki na maliza.
Yeah, so guys, I'm here. Yeah, waiting the mail.
Umesema hivyo
waiting the mail so that I can take.
Kesho nikuje saa ngapi?
After make a job. After very heavy job, so I want to take maize. Yeah, unajua this one we call it mahindi choma. Mimi niko fiti. Nimekamwa hapo jana kutafuta huku. Nilikuja hapo kwa soko hadi namuuliza, jana.
Sawa, nakungoja.
Okay, you know, he's my friend now. He have gone. Now I'm waiting here for maize to be ready so that I can take mahindi ya KISII. Have you ever eat mahindi ya KISII, guys? So mahindi ya KISII is here, you know? Yeah, this is the mom. Huyo ndo anatuchomea. Kehe. They called ege koroto. You know, guys, in KISII there's egetuma. Yeah, they call it egetuma. So I have to take me and my cousin here. Tutaya kuzi. Kosi orebe. Kanoaga mwen kuria gakurwa. Kuni monobo hana. Imbulango toere karibu kila siku. Guys, this is the maize, yeah? The burning maize. Inaitwa burning maize. How we can call this? I think this is the burning maize, guys. Yeah. They have, you know, this one here. It have been imechomwa. It has been burned in the fire. On the fire or inside. It's not inside but on top. You know, they use mode of smoking. Yeah, they use mode of smoking to burn the maize to look this way here. You can see, very nice, and it's very sweet. Even if you want to import the maize, I can just import for you guys. So you just reach me out. Make sure you reach there. Make sure you leave there a sweet comment, guys. Amazing comment. Yeah. So guys, I came to visit this my cousin here. Yeah. This one here is called Brian. Yeah, this one is Brian, guys. You see, he got an accident here, guys. Yeah, this one is who I have come to visit here in KISII village, guys. Yeah, he's real my cousin and real my friend. He's in school here. Yeah, he's in school reading. So you okay, so you can see this maize, you know. Let me ask him if he can take me. Unaweza kula mind? Okay, take this one here. You know here we have to share. Chukua mura mind. Huh? Mkobo hore. Okay, he's fearing. He's fearing to take maize in the way. You know me, I'm not fearing anyone. Yeah? Yeah, I can take the food anywhere, everywhere, okay? Yeah, so guys, yeah, so guys here, as you can see, I'm with we are waiting tomorrow so that I can go and take the shoes in town, okay? Yeah, you know, we are waiting for Thursday. Thursday is when there is a market day. Yeah, in KISII town. You know, here I've told you that I'm not in KISII town. Here I'm in village called Kemboi. Inaitwa Kemboi.
Kembua.
Yeah, Kembua. I'm in Kembua village, guys. Eating very, very sweet maize, you know.
Tengire GBCC cha.
Jojo iga. GBCC. The guys. Oh, you saw we are cutting this corner of a Crisco church. Yeah, we are using this way, going this way there. You know, we are heading in the house, guys, now. Yeah, it have been long. I was assisting there my cousin to take the mizigo in the store, okay? You know, guys, when I say mizigo, you know what I mean. The Lord. Inaitwa Lord.
The Lord.
Not Lord Jesus, guys. Yeah. All right. You see the banana. The way I told you that here there is a lot of banana, guys. A lot of banana, as you can see. Yeah. As you can see, even this mud here. He want to take the, you know, I've come here, you know, I came here and with emergency, so I came so that you know, I came here on Monday, so on I have to wait till on Thursday so that I can take the shoes, the sneakers. Guys, KISII village, KISII, guys. And remember, we have got an accident. Yeah, tumeanguka huko na mzigo, so we have got an accident with Dominic. We got an accident. You know, English, guys, is not here in Africa, you know. Yeah. So English ilikuja na ndege. So if you feel like see this the way I told you that we have many plants in KISII here. You know, michanga ya KISII. This soil of KISII is very fertile. Any plant that you plant, it must be. It can't. You know, one thing I have loved KISII here in village is that every plant and no day will pass without rain, guys. And you know, rain is everything. Rain is what makes plants to grow fast. So you see, even now I'm eating maize, but there in our home, there in Kuria, there's yeah, we are digging. Tunapariria mahindi. Lakini hapa tayari maize, as you can see, it's have already. So we are entering. This is where our cousins lives, guys. So I'm going to We are going to the house. Hey, guys. Hii ni mwizi. Hiyo paka ni mwizi. So, this plot is where I live. Is where I came to visit. This is the plot where I came to visit my cousins here. Yeah, they really live here. So that they can go to school and study, you know? Yeah. Mambo. Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa Toto. Now guys, this is Toto. In this rental, this Toto guys. Chukua hiyo kule mama. Chukua hiyo kule. Okay, eat. So we were there, yeah, taking some mizigo in the store. So guys, as you can see, I'm just here around now. I've come from where I was. Now I'm just around here. Yeah, we want just cook and take lunch, you know. Yeah, in the hotel I didn't take lunch. We are preparing. Hii ni supper ama ni lunch jamani? Guys, I don't know if this is lunch or supper. Let me ask them. Wewe, hii ni lunch ama ni supper? Oh my God. They are saying that is a lunch time, but I think the time of lunch have already passed away, guys. Guys, my sneaker is here. Yeah. It's ready to wear now, you know. I wash it and I put it here to get it dried. So it's ready dried. And you see my cape is here. I don't know how can I call it. Farmer. Yeah, this is the farmer. You know, I wake up early in the morning and I wash my clothes, guys, so that I clean the yard. You know how to clean the yard, guys? Yeah, so I'm just around here, guys. Continue watching my video. The video is very amazing in KISII village, you know. We call it this place is called, this village is called yeah, but in general name it's been called Ogembo. Ogembo is the general names of this village. So I will like to end my video in this point, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and thank you because you are going to watch my next video. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much, and God bless you guys. Bye. Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, I'm just here. I'm telling you bye for everything, guys. Yeah, alright.